even in the most remote parts of the country, to express their displeasure with the Ruto regime. The message is out loudly and clearly that Kenyans are tired. Watu wamechoka. Kenyans are tired. People are tired of new promises on top of old promises. People are tired of being ignored. People are tired of being told what to do and when to do it. People are tired of going to bed hungry, facing the new day hungry, and returning to bed hungry. People are tired of walking from one corner of this city to another, one town to another, one office to another, trying to find a job and finding no job. Parents are tired and ashamed of returning home empty-handed in the evening after an all-day struggle to get something for their families. People are tired of economic and social stagnation they find themselves in. People are tired of rules and askaris everywhere whose sole purpose is to kick every coin you make and take it to Ruto as tax when we go home with nothing for our families. Unfortunately, our otherwise peaceful protest has been accompanied by injuries and possible deaths in various parts of the country. Police have shot, injured and killed protesters in various parts of the country, including here in Nairobi. Scores of protesters have been arrested for participating in an exercise that is clearly protected by our Constitution. As usual, it is the police maiming and killing the people. Slowly, ours is degenerating into a police state. We must not allow it to happen to our country again. We have always said that these meetings remain peaceful until police decide to break them up with bullets and tear gas. On Monday, I was able to get into town, address Kenyans, and disperse peacefully without any injuries or deaths. This was because police did not try to break